To make single crochets, we continue from the 7 chains just made. Skip the first chain that is the closest to the hook and get into the second chain. Push the hook in the chain so that you have 1 loop above the hook and 2 loops below. Now yarn over, pull the loop. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. This is the first single crochet. Go into the next chain. You have 1 loop above the hook. Yarn over. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Go into the next chain. Yarn over, pull a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Go into the next chain. Yarn over and pull a loop. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Go into the next chain. Yarn over. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Go into the last chain. This is the last chain. Yarn over, pull a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. And this is our first row of single crochets. If we count them, we have 6 single crochets. We start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We started on 7 chains, but we skipped 1, so this is why we have 6 single crochets. We got to the end of the row. We make 1 chain and we turn the work. This chain part, and here at the base we have this space. We go into this space and we are going to have 2 loops over the hook. You see this V shape here? We are going to have these 2 loops above the hook. Now yarn over, pull. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. We go into the next stitch. Push the hook into this stitch. We are going to have 2 loops above the hook. Here's the V shape. Yarn over, pull. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Go into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull a loop. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Go in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Go into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull a loop. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. And now we have the last stitch here. There's another V. If you look above, you see this is the V shape of the last stitch. So we have to go below this in this space right here, and we are going to have this V shape over above the hook. So here it is. Now yarn over, pull. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. And this is how we made 2 rows of single crochets. If you want to go to the next row, you have to chain 1, turn your work, and go into the first stitch right here and do a single crochet as we did before. If you want to finish your work, cut the yarn, pull this end, and this is your sample of single crochets. Next, we will do a swatch of half double crochets. To be ready for that, make 7 chains, then go to the next part, half double crochet.